Fly with us with our DJI Mini 3. Today we went out on a cute cafe in the mountains and we're testing out our DJI Mini 3 in this cafe. Hopefully we'll be able to get great shots and we can showcase you how amazing the quality of the DJI Mini 3. We also bought fries and coffee because we just had our lunch. So here we are test driving our DJI Mini 3 drone, and we would love to show you the results in our next video. So here I am conceptualizing of how the shot should be so that we can compile them and the video would make sense. As you can hear, it's already low bat and here we are landing and home safe home.